I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go, no matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my YouTube channel. My names are Devian, Mnyazi. Thank you for choosing to watch and to click and watch my video. I really appreciate it. And in today's video we are going to clean the living room, and then going to clean my fridge, and then we are going to cook later. So in the living room I haven't done a thorough cleaning since we moved in. For the new guys, we moved in maybe some weeks before, if that makes sense. So I decided to do some cleaning. At this point it was around 3 p.m. ish hivi. So I decided to start my cleaning with the living room, and I was just going, at this point I'm just dusting the chairs, and then I get to cleaning the windows, because it has been really dusty in Nairobi nowadays. Like, you can't even ignore the dust. It's just too much. You wipe, and then the next minute it's just full of dust. So that is what I started with doing. And then after that, wipe the windows and the doors, then wipe the lights, and then we get to mopping. So I hope you're going to watch till the end, and I hope you're going to enjoy this one. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel.
indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. It's all too late. It's all too late. All too late. It's all too late. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head and I can't get it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's hazy. Oh, I almost touched the ground. Touch the ground. Oh, I touched the ground. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. I can't seem to make up my mind about us. Make up this time for us. Make up my mind about us. Yeah, but believe me, I tried. I don't know why I couldn't make this work. But believe me, I tried. Now it's all too late. Now it's all too late. All too late. All too late. Oh, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head and I can't get it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's hazy. Oh, I almost touched the ground. All the memories we
So guys, as you have seen, after I finished with the windows and the door, I even wiped the other door, and then I got to wipe we used to call them skatings. Those two things, you never think they are so dusty, but they accumulate a lot of dust. So I finished with the skatings, and then I wiped the wall brackets off camera, and then now I was going to mop the floors, and then I was going to be done with the living room.
it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend.
So after that, guys, I went to cleaning my fridge, and it was not in a good state. I had some leftover food that had stayed for a long while. I don't know, I just slacked on my cleaning routine, and it was chaos. Like, that fridge was not even, I wasn't even proud to look at that fridge. So I decided I was going to give it a thorough cleaning. So I removed everything that had to be wasted, I did, and then I was going to wash these things, and then just arrange the fridge, and then we will be good to go.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run it hurts. The way that it burns feels like I melt through the earth. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
So after finishing with washing those compartments, if that's what they are called, I went to wash inside the fridge, and here I was using some soapy water, and I was doing that because I told you the fridge was not looking that good. So I did that first, and then I rinsed it off. Then I will rinse it off later with some water and some vinegar. So if you have watched until this far, I really appreciate it, and thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome here. I hope you feel at home. Here we do videos alongside homemaking, cooking, cleaning, lifestyle here and there. I hope you get to enjoy being here, and if you haven't liked the video, kindly consider giving it a thumbs up.
You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely, and I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen, 'cause I love the way you hold me, and I don't need a reason, 'cause I don't wanna be. Was it something I did? Still I wonder, 'cause it isn't too clear. I don't want no trouble, tired of the lies. You found yourself another, heart as cold as ice. I'm trying to recover, do you even realize? I'm thinking everything you want. Can I ask you, was it something I did?
Okay, I don't know why I was putting those bananas inside there, but I wanted to use them to do something. They are just black on the outside, but on the inside they are really okay, but I just don't know why I put them there at this particular moment. But at the end of the video you'll see I removed them. So after I was done cleaning, I washed the utensils and everything. It was time for me to prepare some dinner, and on this day I was preparing some pilau, not the Swahili pilau. I think it's a Jamaican pilau. They pronounce it even differently and write it differently. I saw this recipe on Terry Ann's YouTube channel, and I've tried it for a very long while. My family likes it, and it's a very easy meal to make. It's a one pot meal to make, and since I was cleaning till late, at this moment it was around 7, and my baby starts eating at 6:45 to be precise, so it was already past her eating time, and I had to cook something really quickly, and this is what I planned to eat. So here I was just marinating some meat, wings to be precise. The recipe calls to use wings, but I guess you can use any chicken meat you want. So I was marinating it with some paprika. I marinated with some paprika, some garam masala, some spring onions, and then I put some garlic, and then I let it marinate for a few minutes as I was washing the baby. Then I came back and I started preparing it. She uses brown sugar, to be precise, as a browning agent. So it's a browning agent, but also you can use soy sauce as a browning agent. So on my marinade I put a little bit of the soy sauce, but here I was and then I put a little bit of the sugar, so it can have the nice brown. If you use brown sugar, the brown is usually so nice.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, a taste of berries on my tongue, sipping on a feeling, sunny's got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watch another sunset, wishing on a shooting star. Ooh, I know that it has
I covered it for some few minutes, and as you can see, the wings are becoming really brown. So it depends with how much sugar you put and how much the rice is. If you put a lot of sugar, definitely it's going to be so sweet, but if you just put kidogo for browning, it's going to be okay, and it's not going to be sugary. So after I've covered, I covered it again to make sure the juices that it had produced, they are cooked down, and it's nicely browned. So after that, I was going to add my rice, and then after adding my rice, I was going to add coconut milk. I used coconut milk, and here with the coconut milk, I'll say it depends with the amount of sugar of rice you are using. So for me, I used the big can of coconut milk, and then I added a little bit of water. So if you want it to be so coconutty, so creamy, you can add more coconut, and then I'll add some carrots.
Maybe I'm indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting, maybe. Oh, maybe I'm indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. It's all too late. It's all too late. All too late. It's all too late.
So after it had simmered down and the water was over, before I turn off the cooker, I usually like to fluff my rice, and this is because it separates haitoki kama imeshikana. Yes, so that is what I like to do, and then I cover it and then I let it sit for a little while before I serve my rice.
I can't seem to make up my mind about us. Make up this time for us. Make up my mind about us. Yeah, but believe me, I tried. I don't know why.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation, and I hope you got to enjoy this, and I hope you watched until this end. And if you did, I really appreciate it, and thank you so much. And here our dinner was ready, and I served it with some coleslaw, and it was really nice, and we really enjoyed the meal. See you on the next one. Bye.